Hello and welcome, it's Jelly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another little pour that I have in mind to I'm going to do this pour and use it as a background for a future plan that I have for it. So today I think I'm just going to go back to the basics where I started, was doing a pour and a swipe. I think my very first video was with similar colours in just a pour and swipe. So I'm going to really go back to my basics where I started on my first video, which was my first video I think I put out in March or April. I'll have to have a look. March or April. Was it March or April 2 years ago? Yeah, I think March or April 2 years ago. I think so. I'll have to double check that. So, or it may be this is my 2-year anniversary month. I'm not sure. I have to double check it. But anyhow, without further ado, I'm going to use this pre-used canvas for this basic pour in some really nice bright colours. Oh dear. Excuse me. So I'm just going to start off with the white. This is not, I know loads of people keep asking me, which house paint are you using for, this is, I don't, very rarely use house paint, and I've only been using it when, well, if I've got it available because we haven't used it at home, or when I've used it to do the bloom effect with my Boom gel stain. But this is just, I'll just make this up the same as my everyday paint. This particular one is the, oh goodness, got a blob. This is just the global white with my normal glue pouring medium. So that's all this is. Just like making it up in this 1 litre bottle because it's so time efficient then when you come to do this kind of thing. So that's just the white, and I'm going to use the phthalo blue. And this is how I used to do my swipes when I very first started, is just to pour the single colours on like this and just do me wiggles, wiggles, wiggles all over the canvas, which I'm showing you now. I'm going to put some of my Razzle Dazzle red, which is cool red with a good squirt of metallic copper in it. So I've got in mind for a future, when this is fully dry, doing something over it, but that'll be obviously for another day. And I will add the orange, which has always put a real good squirt of yellow in my orange. It just lifts it even further, gives it this really nice, it's so much brighter. I just find it brighter. And of course, it's got all the colours in here. The yellow, which is just the cool yellow, really adding the brightness in here. I think my very first video was all these colours too. And the turquoise. The only difference was my first video, I definitely was using silicone in every cup of paint. I have nothing against silicone, and I still do use the Helmar silicone. But just of late, instead of adding any silicone to my paint, I add some of Floetrol instead. But that is in the drop-down box, what I usually do. That's there too. So I haven't got silicone in any of this paint. But I may try adding silicone just to my swipe, just for old time's sake, because the silicone when you add silicone, gives you a completely different cell structure to what Floetrol cells give. So if you like the silicone cells, then obviously you use the silicone. But of late, I've just been adding the Floetrol, and that's just because if I resin or varnish my work afterwards, if I resin or varnish my work, I don't have to clean all the silicone off before I resin or varnish, because if you resin or varnish with the silicone still left on your work, you'll get it all pit and not be very nice. So if I was to just use my Floetrol swipe on that, I would get loads and loads of lacing. But because I want to try for cells, actual chunky cells, I'm going to mix a little bit of this. Well, I might swipe in the Berry Delicious. So I'm going to add some of the Berry Delicious that I already have made up here, which is just with my glue and water and Floetrol recipe. And I'm just going to add some Helmar Silicone. Where is it? Helmar Silicone to just this one. Oh, oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was way too much. So I'll just add my Helmar Silicone just to the swipe colour. I'm just going to see if it makes any difference, because I know the Floetrol swipe is completely different than silicone. So we'll just see. So I'm going to do a Berry Delicious swipe. Should I do it through the centre? Maybe I'll try it through the centre. And I will swipe. I'm just going to try this swipe with, I'm going to swipe with this silicone mat. This is like a roll of silicone mat that they sell as a draw liner. And I have swiped with it before and done videos. So let me see what swiping with this does. Oh, look at those cells. Looky, looky, looky. Wow. Wow. That is like crazy cells. And let me swipe with my silicone soft plastic file divider, see if it's any different. That's interesting. So just let the very tip of it in, draw it towards you. No, it's still pretty much the same, but that was, so I'll just go along with the soft plastic file divider. Yeah, that has gone crazy cell city, hasn't it? What, you know, what a big difference than this side to that. You just let the very tip drop in and then draw it towards you nice and slowly. That is crazy, crazy cells. So that was just obviously, as you've seen, just the silicone in the swipe colour only. And that's had no heat on it yet either. So very interesting. But that is crazy, crazy cells. I'll bring you down in a second for a closer look. There where I didn't have so much of the swipe colour left, there's not so many cells, which is actually quite a nice thing. I like it with a little bit of space in between it like that, rather than completely cell. Yeah, I actually like it with a little bit of room left in between the cells than completely celled, but that looks like gem, like just precious gems. So I might have to think of something to make this into that complements the gems look to it. So I will bring you down a bit closer and let you have a look-see, see what you think. So here we go, look at these crazy gem-like cells. So if you do like cell action or you're trying to get cells, then have a go at following my recipe that is in the drop-down box. And there's a link to videos. Look at those eyes in there. Looks weird, hey? Yeah, so you should be able to achieve it, because I know lots of people still message me saying they're not getting cells and they've done everything. So I can't really, if you follow the exact recipe with the brands that I'm using, I don't think you can go wrong, really. Look at that. There we go. Oh, that's the whole thing. Alrighty, so that was my little piece for today, which I'm going to let to dry, and then I have got a little plan for that. So it'll be in, obviously when it's fully dry, further videos along the track. Please join me tomorrow. I am here every single day, putting videos out and hoping that you enjoy them. So some are for somebody and others are for others, and everything's not for everybody, I suppose. But hope you enjoy my efforts, and keep safe, people. Have a really good week and take care of yourselves. So bye for now.